All right. I want to show you something. I've been testing my stickers now for a while to prove that I've been making good, solid UV and waterproof stickers. So watch this. This, I know for some reason it's not showing up. It's a lot darker. It doesn't look as washed out. Hold on, let me clean my camera. All right, so this, as you can see, my hands are totally blown out, right? Totally blown out. So you know this color is totally blown out also. All right, so I see my hands are I don't know why the video looks like that. God, that's horrible. So this is a lot darker than it actually is. Look at this one. The colors are still completely here, all of them. All the colors are still here, right? Let me bring this one too. Look at that one. All the colors are there. Still nice and vibrant. And this been on the car for about 3 months now. Look at this one. Same thing. It's been on the car for about 3 months. And believe it or not, this one right here, this sticker right here, this sticker don't have any waterproofing on it. It's just a matte thing. The detail or paper, the matte paper, the matte. Oh man, I'm trying to say this word right. My brain taking a fart right now. The matte printer paper that I use. There we go. Sticker printer paper that I use. And I think it's like a semi-vinyl, whatever it is. This is what I printed with the pigment ink. This is pigment ink on that printer paper. The sticker paper that I purchased. And if you watch the videos, this is the paper. Alright. This is pigment ink on that paper. And as you can see, it's not fading. The colors are still here. And it's not rubbing off. Not coming off on my fingers. That's just dirt. Okay, that's just part of the red part, see? That's just dirt. The natural dirt on this, see that? It's the natural dirt from the car that's on my finger. That's on the sticker. But the colors are not coming off. They're not going anywhere. Alright? This is awesome. I love that. I just wanted to show you that my stickers are working. They're on there. They're not coming off. They're not sliding off. They're not anything off. The colors are not fading. So, just wanted to show you.